الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Assalamu alaikum from the bottom of the heart of Umran Turk and all its members. To everyone, Eid Mubarak. May Allah bring it back with the Ummah in its best. We are here in front of the farm, the City Hall farm, Tanajik's City Hall farm, which is dedicated on slaughtering by the Islamic teaching, which means halal. All the members of the family, there is activities for everyone, starting from kids and up until the father who will watch the process of the meat cutting, etc. going on here straight and right after the Eid prayer, and it's all going here.
With Umran Turk, your investment starts right. We offer premium real estate opportunities, service departments for short-term rentals, and options suitable for Turkish citizenship. Eid al-Adha begins long before the day itself, from the Eid prayer and the sacrifice to gathering with family. For years, the Umran Turk family has been committed to preserving these traditions, bringing families together to share meaningful moments in our residential communities, moments that many truly miss. We would be happy to have you with us. Eid Mubarak. Contact us today and start your investment journey.